Okay, just got back from my first day at practice using the Prophecy and shot really nice. Held up with paint all day, no jams, no breaks in the hopper, nothing. It was great, fed perfect, all stock settings on it still. And now I'm going to do the reball video. Got the reballs right there. Very old ones, just like Simon said he used. We're going to test out what he said. Stock settings on the Prophecy still. The mark I'm using is chronoed at 295, and I'm going to see the Prophecy handles the reballs. Alright, so far so good. Move a few more back, no jams yet. See, is it loaded in? There we go. Wow. That's all of them. See, hopper's completely empty. Take the hopper off. Nothing is in the breech. Shot all the reballs perfectly. The only time it stopped was because I'm holding my gun at an angle down, so all the balls were getting stuck in the front of the hopper, and I had to just angle it forward to get them to come forward to the drive cone. But otherwise from that, it sounds right. Not a reball jam on really old, crappy reballs, so great job once again to Empire. They did excellent.